let's go. Double hobby. All cards will ship in this break. Holler at me, somebody. Let me know if you guys can hear me and confirm that we're live. All right, I hope you guys can hear me because nobody's saying anything, so we're just going to roll. Good luck. Actually, let me double check because I don't want to rip 2 boxes here if I'm not live because they are very expensive. All right, there we go. Thank you, Bob. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Tua is the first shiny card that goes to the Dolphins. We got Tristan Wirfs refractor to the Bucks. Prism refractor, Savion Williams for the Packers, and a Hufanga refractor. We got Jerry Jeudy on the teal out of 299 for the Browns. Going to Nicholas. Our pulls is going to be Tyrone Tracy for the Giants to Darren. Base Jackson Dart there for the Giants. Marvin Mims, refractor. Rashard Smith, rookie refractor. And a Bryce Young, Future Stars refractor for the Panthers. We got Kenneth Walker, refractor to the Seahawks. Big scratch on it. CeeDee Lamb, refractor, Cowboys. Cam Ward, base rookie. Jacoby Myers, refractor. First half of the hobby there, a little on the weak side. Hopefully all the hits on the right side here. Still looking for our auto. We got Green Lava to 99 rookie. Devin Neal to the Saints. Going to Michael C. Jake Bates, rookie prism. Cameron Jordan. And Darius Slay. All chrome, Fred Warner to the Niners. I got used to the jumbo. I'm like, where's the autos? Rico Dowdle, Fred Warner refractors, Riley Leonard base rookie. What's up, Darren? We got Jalen Reed, rookie refractor for the Texans. Where's this damn autograph? There it is. Vikings. One of the last on the board. Ty Felton, rookie auto. On card. Vikings for JJ. Not Justin Jefferson, JJ, but a rookie auto for you there. Ty Felton. Not quite Justin Jefferson, though. Got Jerry Jeudy again. Kyron Williams. And Dante Thornton refractor for the Raiders for box 1. Not the most amazing hobby box there to start it off, but we got another one. And we'll have more football this afternoon, guys. New break posting up. I think we're going to drop it at 5 p.m. Two more hobby. Like I said, our first huge short print case hit last night on the Jackson Dart Helix for Lupe. Bobby, I'm sure Lupe told you about it already. $5,000 Jackson Dart Helix. We pulled for him last night in the $69 random. Solid, I don't know what, 75X or something. Let's see if we get our first Jackson Dart auto in this box, though. Yeah, that's why I'm on this break. One chance for you to confuse addresses, so you accidentally send it to me. What's up, Jamie? Welcome in. All right, let's go. Box 2. Good luck. Jaleel McLaughlin Prism. Amon St. Brown refractor. That is an amazing hit for a random team, for sure. Future Stars, Pat Surtain for the Broncos refractor. Landon Jackson. We got Purple Banger for the Bears. Purple Lava, 26 out of 75. Colston Loveland, Purple Lava to the Chicago Bears for Nick. Ben Ginkle refractor. And we got a Breece Hall on the Pulse. Quincy Riley refractor. Jackson Dart base there. Luke McCaffrey. And a J.J. McCarthy Fortune refractor insert. Jonah Savanea refractor. We got yellow insert. It's Brady for the Bucks. 9 of 275. Fortune 15. Tom Brady. Going to Bryant. It's Travis. It's not really consistent. Sometimes it's 3. Sometimes it's 4. Sometimes it's 2. Jack Sawyer out of 199. See, here's 3 already from this box. Only 2 numbered in the last box. This one, 3 already. Travion rookie. Evan Ingram refractor. Got another Jackson Dart, 1975. Take as many of those as we can. They add up. Prisma, Mike Williams. We got a Mike Evans for the Bucks out of 150. See, 4 numbered in this box. Not consistent. Travis Etienne Prism. Auto's got to be coming up. Right? Legends of the Gridiron, Chad Johnson at 99. 5 numbered in this box. Jackson Dart, base. We'll take one of those. Yes, please. Devondre Sweat. And is this going to be our auto here? I hope so. Auto to 99. I saw QB. I got very happy. It's Seth Hannigan for the Jaguars. Chris Baker, I hope you're a huge Jaguars fan and follow this guy on social media. Guys, that is our 2 hobby for this afternoon. Not the most amazing boxes. We got 2 more dropping at 5 p.m. EST. Feel free to set your alarm and be ready to join up. Breaks have been filling very fast for Topps Chrome, so if you want to get in, just be ready. Recap of today's break. No specific order. Base, Jackson Dart. Blue, Mike Evans to 150. Ty Felton, rookie auto was nice for the Vikings. Legends, Chad Johnson to 99. Brees Hall, Pulse. Jerry Jeudy out of 299. Aqua or teal. Jackson Dart inserts there. Pulse, Tyrone Tracy. Cam Ward, base out of 99. Devin Neal. The Jack Sawyer to 199. The Loveland was nice for the Bears to 75. The Brady was nice as well, 275 for the Bucks, and the Seth Hannigan auto that closed it out. Thanks so much, everybody. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 numbered Travis across the 2 boxes. Thanks so much, everybody. 5 p.m. time slot for the next one.